today's a little unconventional, which the weather's not that great. So
It's supposed to be a thunderstorm, guys. Not in a tornado warning. They even shut down schools.
Literally, no school today.
So that's why it was like, oh, let's make a video about eggs.
Because we got our first turkey egg the other day, which we didn't even know what it was. We were like, what the heck, who's laying this? And then when we looked it up, sure enough, it's turkey egg.
Very first turkey egg.
Yep, so we had to go down the rabbit hole comparing eggs. So we figured, why not share what we found?
All right, well, let's start with the turkey since we got it out.
Yeah, so the turkey egg is actually the richest of all of them. But look just at the different sizes. So the turkey egg is the biggest, technically. But there's a duck, and there's a chicken. So definitely bigger.
Oh, maybe the awning wasn't a good idea. Because the wind is getting pretty strong.
Yeah.
All right, well, we're just going to try to get through.
Yeah.
Oh, let's just put the awning up. Hold on, guys. We tried to get under the awning, but then the wind picked up, so hold on.
All right, well, we wanted to just share some facts, and then we'll crack them to see if we can see a difference in cracking them, and then we're going to taste test to see if we can tell which one is which. So that's going to be the plan for the video. So turkey egg, most interesting, so less common. So technically they lay a clutch in the spring, so about 16 eggs, one every 24 to 36 hours, and then supposedly that's all that they lay. And this is our first egg. We've gotten no turkey eggs so far, and we're only down to one turkey. So.
No, this isn't the first one.
Huh?
We've gotten 3.
Right, but that's like, we got one, and so today when we collected eggs, we got 2 more from 2 days of collecting.
Yeah.
Yeah, so far we've gotten 3. But yeah. It's the most rich in nutrients, fat, calories, high in vitamin B12. There's 135 calories, 13 grams of protein, and 9 grams of fat in a turkey egg. That's crazy.
Wow. It's like a dinosaur egg.
Right?
All right.
It's pretty cool.
Next up, we have the
duck egg.
Duck. See if I can stand this up.
Right?
Nope.
And so we have 3 Rowan ducks, and we're getting both like a bluish tinted egg and a white egg. Not really sure why. But duck eggs, they're 40 to 60% larger than chicken eggs. They have a thicker shell. They're really smooth. Like the outside smooth. Is definitely different. Richer in flavor. They contain omega-3s and vitamin B12. They're typically 2.5 ounces, 130 calories, 9 grams of protein, and 19.6 grams of fat. So not as much as a turkey egg, but more than a chicken egg. And because of its qualities, people say that they're pretty good to use in baking, which we have not done yet.
So this is more richer?
Yeah, the turkey eggs are more richer, but they're not as common.
You don't get them as much.
Right. And we only have 1 turkey, and the 2 turkeys that we had were both females, so we wouldn't have any fertilized eggs.
Fertilized eggs.
Yeah, so duck eggs for baking.
All right.
And then last but not least is our chicken eggs. So the fun thing about chicken eggs is you can get a variety of colors and some different sizes. They're not always the same size, but they are less calories, less protein, less fat, and they're smaller. Obviously more common. They're more prolific layers. They vary in colors and shade. They average about 2 ounces as opposed to the 2.5 ounces of the duck egg. 78 calories, 5 grams of fat, and 5 grams of protein.
All right.
So those are just quick little facts about the eggs. So duck, chicken, turkey.
All right, let's crack them.
If you were to put all 3 together, would that be a turducken?
I guess. All right, y'all. So we're going to crack this egg. And this is the turkey egg. And don't forget, like she said, this is a less common egg.
Is the shell harder?
Yeah, the shell is a lot harder. Holy cow. Ooh, look at that yolk. It's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Did you just poke it?
Yeah, I want to see how dense it is.
Okay. Well, we're gonna cook it next, so.
All right, next up we have the old duck egg, and this is a very smooth egg.
Yeah, that feels different than all the other ones.
Remember, this is a thicker shell, and it is richer in flake. Holy cow! Yeah, this can't just bust it open.
I feel like that yolk is bigger than the turkey yolk. Maybe?
Maybe. We're about to find out right here in a second. Well, look at that there, guys. Oh, I got something. Oh, no, it is the yolk to the turkey egg was a lot more thicker.
Really?
Yeah. And here's your classic duck yolk.
Last but not least, the chicken egg.
Like water compared to the others. Look, the yolk already broke. Just dropping it in there.
More sensitive. Definitely smaller.
Yeah, it's like water compared to the other two.
Okay.
So, let's look at the shells. All right, you have your chicken, you have your duck, and then you have the old dinosaur turkey. They're all white in the inside. So,
Yeah.
there's that. This is like, feels like plastic almost. Oh, this is hard. This soft. So, there's your egg. Now, let's compare the yolks.
All right, so yolks, there's chicken, there's duck, and then there's turkey. So chicken, duck, turkey. Yeah, the duck egg I think definitely has a bigger yolk, and I feel like it's richer in color.
There's definitely more in, what's the white stuff called?
The white.
The whites?
Yeah.
Is that like the official name?
Yeah.
Or is that just what we...
Oh, that is like,
like,
what are the squishy ball things that people play with? Kind of like the insides of those.
now I can see why it's more fatty and more rich.
So, like, it's transferring onto my finger, but it's not rupturing, like, into the white.
Yeah.
Interesting.
All right. And then the old duck. All right. Now, Amber's going to cook them. And I am going to try to figure out which one is which, if I can. All right. Here we go. We got the eggs.
So he has to guess which one is which. I know which one is which. I'm still going to try them too, but I already know.
All right.
I'm curious as to what you're going to think.
All right, here we go. I can kind of tell already because of the way that I looked at the yolk. This is definitely the chicken egg right here, for sure. This is definitely a chicken egg. So this is definitely the turkey egg, and this is the duck egg.
Try them. We'll see. He's saying definitely like he knows.
Because I know.
And we just have salted butter in the pan, so you're going to know the richness of everything. Nothing masked.
Damn. Then yolk. Good. Definitely chicken egg. This is definitely the turkey egg. This mother freaker is thick, buh. This is definitely the hold on. Oh man, you got me confused now. Hold up. This might be the turkey egg, cause she thick now. Once I cracked it open, I thought different. I'm not getting them too.
What you think?
I might need a glass of lemonade. But good. I can definitely taste the yolk.
It's more rich.
Let me try this turkey egg right here, 'cause I know this is a turkey egg. I switch it up. Chicken, duck, turkey. Oh yeah, thick. Stick it in a bowl of oatmeal. Let me try the white though.
The white is so dense.
It is, it's so white.
The other ones are more translucent. I was pretty shocked at how translucent that one was.
So what is this, the dirt?
The dirt.
The duck. Oh yeah, it's thick all the way around too.
Yeah, so chicken, duck, turkey.
I was right.
The second time.
They look the same from the top until I cracked them open.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I mean, the chicken ones we have all the time, so that's nothing new. But I've never had a duck egg or a turkey egg.
I had already cooked one of these before.
Really?
Never had a turkey egg though.
Yeah. I could see why those are really good in baking. For sure.
Hold on. I didn't make a video for my people on Facebook. If y'all ain't following me, go follow me on Facebook, D'Angelo Stewart, or go follow the Homestead page on Facebook. But yeah, hold on. Which one is which? We got duck. On this plate, we got duck, chicken, and turkey egg. Which one of y'all think is which? Which one's the chicken? Which one's the duck? Which one's the turkey? Top, bottom, right. Top, bottom, right. Which one is which, y'all? Yeah. What was you saying now?
I think the turkey one tastes a lot like the chicken egg, like taste-wise, but it's thicker. Which I did read where, like, they say that turkey is similar taste-wise to chicken. But none of our eggs are fertilized, so we're just going to have to eat them.
So, today you guys have got to see duck, turkey, and chicken eggs. We do not have quails. Probably are going to get some, but we don't have them yet.
We should get an emu.
No, we don't want any emu eggs.
I don't want to eat one. I just want an emu. They're so
Never tried
funny.
quail. But yeah.
Ooh, I did take out the pie shell so I can make a quiche because we have so many eggs right now.
Oh, that's going to be so good. But yeah. Chicken, duck, turkey, guys. Eggs on the farm. You can have them yourself.
Yep.
For this measly, was it? How much feed do you think I'll probably spend about
maybe like
$20. Not even that. $20
that bag
every 2
lasts.
weeks.
Yeah, I'm about to say we maybe spend like $40 a month, if that, in feed.
In feed,
and then you
yeah.
get them some treats and stuff.
Yeah. And we have what? We got 5 roosters, 3 ducks,
Yep.
and how many hens? 20
something?
22 or something like that, I think.
And 1 turkey now.
And 1 turkey, so. And we spend about $20 in feed, so it's not bad. There you go, guys. Get yourself some turkey, chickens, and ducks.
And now let's see what we can make with all of them.
Yeah.
I'm obviously going to have to bake something. Going to have to make a quiche.
We've been selling them.
Yeah, I've been selling them, and I've been trying different recipes for pickled eggs. Fun fact, honey mustard pickled eggs, really good.
I like the jalapeno pickled eggs.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
I'm going to have to go boil some more eggs.
We'll bring you some of those recipes later on in life, just not right now.
We need to perfect them.
We need to perfect them. and we need to get us a kitchen, a real nice kitchen to cook in. But yeah, we're perfecting everything right now, off camera, our little cooking recipes. But appreciate you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, TikTok, any other social media. No Rush. Crew's out there somewhere, all right? Or Norushacres. Appreciate you guys. Like we always say, man, love, peace, and
Happiness.
happiness.
Have a good day.